think I'm in for a bit of weather. I need to get to that island. Holy crap. If this thing would quit leaking, it would be nice. Holy crap, wind's picking up. It's definitely the closest land. Holy shit. Alright, I've almost made the island. Frickin' storms coming in fast from my behind. Major wind and rear waves. I think I'm gonna make the island though. A lot of cavitation. The problem because I'm pedaling hard, and I think the wave troughs are making it cavitate more too. It's making the rudder kind of tricky. You know, these rear waves and wind. Well, we're close enough to be out of immediate danger now. Looks like there's a lot of submerged trees and crap here. I think I'm going to go around to the left here.